Alright, we're going to clean a couple of carpet scraps with the DeWalt polisher and a microfiber just to show how good this thing works. These scraps have been out all winter long. I mean, they've been outside for 5 or 6 months, so they're pretty nasty. So we're going to clean them up. Okay, that's clean. Oops. It kind of gets ahead of it. But anyway, that's very clean. It's been sitting all winter, so it's been trashed. So I got one more. By the way, that polisher, that sucker is pure powerful. It's not like those Harbor Freight orbital polishers at all. You saw how it flipped that rug up. I mean, it's very strong. It grabs stuff. Of course, that's a carpet scrap. It won't do that on a area rug or a carpet or couch or anything like that, but it did it on that carpet scrap. Okay, that one's done. Oh, well, it's hard to be on your knees. I'm too old for this. But anyway, you're not going to see a lot of dirt on the bonnet because it's bright blue. But here's the thing. A lot of people say you can't really clean carpets with machines that are under like 100 pounds. That's just a lie. These carpets have been out all winter. They're very dirty and they're very clean. So the polisher not only cleans, but the weight factor, there is no weight factor. That's just that's a fallacy that people that sell machines make up to try to get you to buy their machine over another one because they got more weight. That's meaningless and it's stupid. So, but anyhow, this is the DeWalt. Do you remember the model number, Joe?
I think it's a DWP849X, I think.
I think that'll be in the description. We'll just, and we're not really going to try to sell these to people. We don't care if you buy them or not. We're actually getting out of selling Amazon products. We don't like the commissions. We think they're a waste of time to work with. We're going to quit selling Amazon products, and because we care about putting videos up to entertain people and to help people, we're going to quit being monetized on YouTube. We no longer care about YouTube monetization or Amazon links. There's no, we want to do this for free. We don't need the money. We work. So we're stopping all that stuff very, very quickly. So, but if Joe wants to put a link, he can. but we're not getting paid, so you're not helping us out by buying this because we don't care. There's no money for us. You got anything you want to say?
Nope.
Yeah, that's the video then. Have a good day.